You're welcome. You're welcome again to this video. This product is actually created and is online already. So whatever we'll do now is going to be like we are updating it. Okay, so it's just like an update. So even if I go and log in again, I can click edit product anytime, and then I can maybe change the price, change everything. And when you click update products, it's going to be updated. All right. So content and marketing. So the next thing we're going to do right now is I want this person after the payment for the system, this platform, to redirect the person to my WhatsApp. How do you do that? Okay, so how do you do that? First of all, we are going to go to let me create another tab. So we're going to come here and then we are going to just type create WhatsApp link. WhatsApp link, I say it, create WhatsApp link. So let's use this. I've used this before. Let's use this. This is one I love using. Okay, so come down and you'll see this place. Put your phone number here to 0. Just remove the first 0. Then you can say, hi, Mr. Chris. Mr. Chris, I just paid for your ebook. For your ebook. You can just indicate Pixel Lab handout. My name is, I just push dash here, and then I just paid for you. You can now click generate my Whats dot link. So it's going to generate the link, and wow, the link is generated. Copy link is copied already. So you go back to, okay, we're still on here. So you now go back here, and then you are now telling the system, okay, I want the person to be redirected back to my WhatsApp, to my WhatsApp inbox. So you click this, automatically direct the buyer to an external link. So you paste the link, paste this particular link here. All right, so now if the person pays, note the person will not be able to download the ebook. Even if you load the ebook is loaded already, the person will not be able to download it. Since you now tell the system that, okay, after the payment, they let the person come to this external link, let the person be redirected to this external link. So the person is now going to be redirected to this external link, so he is not going to be able to download the ebook here or any digital product you put. So you need to give the access to the person. This is actually very important for people that do affiliate marketing. There are people that try to grow their audience, maybe on WhatsApp or maybe other platforms like that. So you may wish to do that. You may wish to give. Most of my products I do like this. For some of them, like this ebook, I didn't do it like this. So you can just buy the ebook and download it and go your way. Some other ones I like for some courses I didn't host on Selar. I give external links like this. So you got just update okay, all right, so you can just update products. I hope it's still recording. Yeah, you can just update product. Now it has been updated. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I want to change. If you look at this link here, you can see that it's 920. I want to change the last digits of that URL. Let's come here and choose customize URL. All right, so customize URL, click this pencil sign and then put let's say Pixel Lab, write them together, handout, Pixel Lab. Let me put everything small letter so that doesn't confuse. Then click the mark sign. So everything is now, you can see Pixel Lab handout. So that is the link. So it's going to be at the end of the link. Okay, so I think that is that. Image reviews. Let's see image reviews. So you can upload reviews. People have some reviews and all of that. You can just upload them. All right, so we don't have anyone like that. So let's update it. All right, so update it. So you can see that the link is updated. So this is the link. So so we are now going to, everything now is set. We are going to now verify Let's click the link, and this is, if somebody clicks the link, this is what the person is going to see. So you're going to see the magic. Look at, wow. So you can see that the PDF ebook is downloadable, but you have added, remember, you have added an external link, so it's going to redirect the person. Pixel plus whatever Igbo Christian. This is a new account just created. So so the person can come here and choose his currency. Okay, there are about 10 different currencies here. The person can choose his currency and buy. Now look at okay, this is the image. This is the second I think the next, this is the second image. Yeah, this is the second image. This one here. All right, so now you can see get your copy. Now that is the call to action we add. If you don't add any call to action, seller will put automatically maybe buy now or something. All right, so that's not the problem. 3,000, that's that. So you can see, if you click more details somewhere here, yeah, more details, to bring you down here for more details. This is the video, so you can click the video and it's going to watch it. So I'm going to show you a little about the ebook, the newly launched ebook. All right, I'm going to go to my file. So document. I just want to start from. So let's assume this is another person. Actually, this is the link, so anybody can view it, and everything is going to be like this. Okay, so like this one now, connect with me by clicking here. Okay, you can see that the link is working now. So for me, this link goes to my WhatsApp inbox. If you click on it, all right, the link goes to my WhatsApp inbox. Okay, I don't want to see my pattern, so let me take it back. I don't want to see my pattern. I don't know why my finger is not making it. All right, okay, you can see, hi, we're Christian. So if you want to connect with me, this is what you just, you just send, hi, we're Christian, I'd love to connect with you. Okay, that's me. So if another person, that link, that's just what the link does. This link, this one I put here, and that's how to create. I've told you how to create it, so that's how to create it. This is a bonus tutorials for you. Okay, so that's that. For, you can see how your product will be set up, how the write-ups are, the bold and all of that. All right, this usually should be bigger than this, but I think Selar has modified everything how to be the same. So no review yet. So that's that. So we are going to buy so that we'll see if this system will direct us. All right, so this 3,000 is too much. It's not too much anyway, but I don't want to make any payment now to this account, because so actually let's go back. We are going to edit the price. Let me edit the price to 00, so that we'll just buy. Where's the price? All right, so the price, we're going to make it a free product now. Let me update the price. All right, so anytime you edit it and update, the update will reflect. Okay, so it's edited. Let's use the link and go again. So the price is going to be free. Get your copy now. So I'm going to check out. All right, so I have bought. So you can see 1210 is going to redirect. You can see the person is now coming to my WhatsApp with this image, this message. Hi, Mr. Chris, I'll pay for your WhatsApp. Please, my name is, maybe your name is maybe Emmanuel. You can just write my name is Amos or Emmanuel and send. I'll now know that the person has bought. I'll now come, and when I come online, I'll now the now is becoming too much. I will then give the person access to the ebook. All right, that's how simple this is. So you have created, you can go back and change your, let me go back and change my price to 3,000. I normally sell this ebook for 1,000, so let me change the normal price, 1,000. The original price is actually 3,000. All right, but I usually give a discount of 1,000, so I'm going to update it. So this is my own. So this is how you create your own. This is quite simple, right? So the next video, now you can now go home. All right, and you're going to see that you actually have a product, you have one customer. I'm my customer for now. So this is a new account and all of that. So upgrade to pro, well, you can leave that. If you have the money, you can upgrade. I think it's 8,000 per month or per year or something like that. You can try it out, check it out if you want to do that. So in the next videos, we're going to explain a little about that. But basically, this is how to onboard yourself on Selar. I'm going to show you how you can do a couple of things, how you can create affiliate links and some other stuffs in the next video. But basically, you want to create more products. I'll just show you a little, walk you through these ones here in the next video, and that's going to be the end of the course. If you have any challenge, you reach out to me via my phone number. You can just check me out on social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all of that. So I'll be very happy to be of help to you in any way possible. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next and probably the last video for this session.